I'm going to be talking to you. Okay, I'm going to be talking to you through the mirror because I'm getting ready to do a style on my Microlocs. I've had them for just a little bit over a year. It's been 13 months. And I'm going to be using this spray bottle. I just have water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner from Thank God It's Natural, or Thank God I'm Natural. I just put a little bit of their leave-in conditioner that I showed in a previous video into here, just a couple of little dabs, and then I mixed it with warm water. And then I have this mousse by Shea Moisture. I just picked this up. Never used mousse on my hair ever before, but I'm giving this a try. And this is the frizz-free curl mousse by Shea Moisture, coconut and hibiscus. And I'm gonna section my hair with some of these little hair bands that I've talked about before. And I'm going to roller set my hair with straws. And they're individually wrapped, so I'm gonna unwrap these and I'm gonna cut them in half because I just want a small portion of it. And I'm only gonna roll like the bottom, probably like the last 2 or 3 inches of my hair, and I'm gonna pin them off with these bobby pins. Just got these, a whole bunch. I'm not going to put straws on each of these. Within the section, I'm gonna take as many, maybe 2 or 3 in each to roll on each straw if it's the right length. So like these 3 hairs would not go on the same straw because this one is too short, but I would get the ones that match in length, and then I will set those on the roller, set those on the straw after spraying it and using the mousse, and then I will use the bobby pin through the straw to hold it in place. And I'm gonna let this dry all day today, and I'm gonna take it out later on tonight, and I'm planning on styling it this weekend. So tomorrow is when I'm really trying the style, but I want to set it today because I want to see what it's going to look like, because I might end up just rinsing it out if it looks insane. So I'm anticipating it looking okay. So if you want to see what everything is going to look like, then I hope you keep watching. I'll show you the style tomorrow, and I'm getting started right now. So let's go. Okay, so the footage you saw of me with this dress on, with the headpiece and everything, that was just this past Saturday. Today I'm recording, it's Monday. My intention was to show you the full dress when I got back from the event, because when I was recording that last little bit of footage when I had the headpiece on, everybody was waiting for me in the car and I had to go, so I couldn't show you the full look. So my plan was to show you the full look when I got home, but I completely forgot because I was exhausted after that event. So now today is Monday. My curls are dropping, as you can probably tell, but I wanted to share this dress on this video as part of this video specifically because it's like the event just happened, I just wore it, and I want to talk about this dress. I got this dress and another one that I'm getting ready to share from the Goodwill for $10. Okay, so if you're not shopping at the Goodwill, what are you doing? Please. But anyway, this dress is like from China. I think it's from China because the tag on it had Chinese letters on it, and it was actually like, it was the store tags. So Goodwill was selling it for $10. I don't even know how much it was being sold for originally because everything was literally written in Chinese, I'm assuming. It looked like Chinese from what I could tell. And I had to get this dress, so I got it in July. If you are familiar with my channel, I talked about all the outfits that I wore at my church convocation this year, 2024. And on our way home from that convocation, we stopped at the Goodwill and I got this dress, and it was only $10. Then weeks later, I happened to be at the Goodwill and I found this other dress for $10 at my local Goodwill. I wore both of these dresses back to back because we had a special event this past Saturday, and then we had another special event the next day, Sunday. So I just had to share this. So this is, I'm going to step back and show you what the dress looks like. I did wear it with this, I think you can kind of tell, it's like a shirt that I have underneath. It's a black sheer shirt. Because it was a church event, I just felt more comfortable with some coverage, because as you can see, the arms are full lace. With this full lace, I would wear this any other place without the sheer shirt underneath. I just feel more comfortable at church with my arms completely covered. So I'm going to share with you really quick the headpieces that I use. So since I'm showing you the dress, I might as well give all the details in case anyone is interested. These are the little pieces that I had on my head. These are sold on Amazon. I purchased them from Amazon. It's sold in a quantity of 1, so I just purchased 2 of them. They were on sale at the time that I purchased them. I don't know how much they are now, but I will link them below. They were only a little more than $14 each when I purchased them. So it's all of this wonderfully sparkly rhinestone stuff. It's so pretty, and these things were like shining on my head for the whole night, the whole day and into the night. So also from Amazon, I purchased these hat form things. I can't find the ones that I use with these hats, but they were both black. One was in this shape, so I have this one in off-white, white, and black. So I used the black one with those, and I just combined them kind of like this, and then I positioned those little pieces on top of that with pins and everything. So within the thing, there's like a hole right here, and I put a pin through there, and then there's another one right here. This is how you can sit it on your head even without a base. You can just put this right on and kind of pin it. It comes with silver bobby pins, so 2 come with each of these. Let them hang down, even do all kinds of little fancy stuff, but because of my hair, I had to put a base underneath this. So that's what I wore on my head. On my feet, I'm going to show you my shoes real quick. Like this is a Calvin Klein shoe. I wear a size 7.5, sometimes 7, and these have like this little, if it could focus, has these little ridges on them. I think these shoes are so cute. So I just had those shoes on, and now again I'm going to step back and show you. I'm going to show you without the shirt too, just so you can get an idea of what this dress really looks like. And then I'm going to move on to the dress that I wore on the next day, on Sunday, because I made some modifications to it, and I just want you to see what they were in case it inspires you for how you can update something too. This is what it looks like originally at the top. So it has these spaghetti straps. It crisscrosses in the back. So this is how it would normally be. And then the bottom part is this whole ball gownish looking thing. So it had 2 layers of this underneath. I cut 1 layer out just for it to be practical to wear for an actual event. Otherwise it would have been like puffed out like Cinderella. So as it was extra long. I wore a slight heel, just a regular black heel, maybe 3 inches, and it was dragging, and it was still big and poofy and crazy, but it works for me. So I wore it like that, and of course I'm not gonna wear it with this all this spaghetti stuff with no coverage. It has a nice zipper in the back, but again, it's attached like this. It has pockets, 2 nice big pockets at the front. So what I did was attach another shirt to the front of it. So this is how it looked when I wore it. It has like a small line of mesh right here going across the top part, and then the rest of the shirt is this material. So I got this from the Goodwill for $5, I think, the other day, because when I was ready to wear it, it needed to be updated. So I cut the bottom of the shirt off, and then I hemmed it, and then I sewed that hemline to the bottom of the black part of the dress where the black part and the blue part meet. So this is what it looks like at the back, because I didn't connect it all the way. So at the back, this is the transition from the top part of the dress to the blue part of the dress right here. So I just sewed this shirt across that line all the way around, but of course I had to account for the zipper in the back, so I didn't sew around that part. The straps and all of that were underneath, kind of like a undershirt or like a slip. And then I just wore my backless jacket, which was an accidental DIY. I had never seen a I can't get over this, because I had never seen a backless blazer ever before, and I cut one because I needed some of the extra material, and then when I saw what I was left with, I knew I could make something out of it, so I made it into a backless blazer. And now there are backless blazers in stores everywhere, and I've even seen a backless coat. So anyway, this is the backless jacket that I customized for myself, and I'll link this video below in case you want to just see. But again, it was an accident, so I put this on over the dress, and I'll insert a little video that I did record after the event was over, and I matched it up with a hat, because this was also a church event. I matched it up with a hat I made out of some feathers. So I used this same hat form, but the white version of this, and I glued feathers to it, blue feathers. That was my hat for the day. And then I put a little brooch on the side just to add a little bit more of that blue tone. And again, I'll insert that here. But again, these items came from the Goodwill. I think thrift shopping is always a wonderful place to look, because if you shop on Amazon or even like Shein, Zara, all those kinds of stores, if you're around a lot of different people who shop the same way, chances are you'll have something that matches sometimes. But if you shop at the Goodwill, you probably be the only person with that item anywhere around you. So I love shopping there for unique pieces, for ways to customize outfits and do whatever you want, experiment with stuff, because it doesn't cost a lot. And again, things are unique and individual to you. So that is all I wanted to share for that. And of course I had to incorporate that into this video because it was all related to how I did my hair. So it all is interconnected. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.